Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to control your PS5 with your TCL TV Remote. And this is very easy. You can see I can just press this button and it's going to move through everything. So first on your PS5, you want to go up to the top, go to Settings, and then scroll on down under here. And go to where it says System. Go to HDMI and make sure we have Device Link turned on so we can actually control our PS5 with it. Then press the settings button on your remote, and you can see I got the Google TV version. Go to settings right here, and we are looking for an option called HDMI CEC, and this might be under channels and input, and then we can just go to the right, and we can see under channels we have edit channels. So we're looking for an option called HDMI CEC. We got external device control, and we just want to make sure this is turned on. So HDMI control will allow us to control our devices with our TV remote. So I got this turned on at the top, and I got to turn on my PlayStation show, so I should be able to control everything. And then we got power on the TV sync, allows to power on the TV when turning on compatible devices. So I turn on my PS5, it's going to turn on my TV as well. So I might just turn this on too. And then we got auto switch, automatically standby to save entry when the HDMI connected device is not in use. So I think is that going to turn it off or put it into the sleep mode? So just look at everything under this settings option and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.